Many people living with dementia and their carers worry about exercise being unsafe or too difficult. Let's talk about how to make movement safe, supportive and successful. Some of the common barriers include fear of falling, fatigue or pain, and some days are so much harder than others, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's participation. You can make exercise more inviting by choosing familiar music, using clear, calm instructions, creating a comfortable, clutter-free space, and keeping routines short and consistent. Have a look at this video. All you need to do is lift your heels off the floor as high as you can and then push them back down. You can do this while you're sitting or standing or wherever it feels safe. So why is this so important? Well, your calves are often called the second heart of the body because they help to pump blood back up towards the heart. Doing heel pumps regularly improves circulation, reduces swelling in your legs and keeps your body moving efficiently. And for people living with dementia, gentle exercises like this are especially helpful. They not only support physical health but also stimulate movement, focus and helping to maintain independence and confidence in everyday life. Let's do a few together. So lifting the legs up and the heels up, and push down. Heels up and down. You do this at your own pace. If you find it too difficult doing both at the same time, you can try one and then the other. Left, right, left, right. Or again, you can do them together. So even though this seems very simple, it's a very efficient exercise. Every bit of movement matters, even a few minutes. Start small, celebrate the progress and keep the experience positive.